The other day we were going to film something and the belt started squeaking really bad. So today, just quickly, we are going to tighten the auxiliary belt, P-belt, this one. So it is quite loose and it is not a problem to tighten or change. So when it starts squeaking or you don't know when was the last time the belt was changed, just change it. This is a 12. This is a 12. And do I have a 12 millimeter? Yes, I do. So you need a 12 millimeter wrench, more or less. Mm-hmm. Let's see if you can do it with the... So this system does not have tightening pulley because it's so simple. It just drives the water pump and the alternator. Mm-hmm. And the alternator is your tensioner. So firstly, you loosen up this bolt. Just like that. And then you need to loosen up this bolt behind the dipstick. This one is always fun.
Need a lot of space.
What? Okay, that one is loosened.
Okay, those two.
Now, as you can see, maybe you cannot see. Oh, you need to loosen up the lower alternator bolt.
Oh, another one.
Yeah, I forgot about it every day, every time.
Every day.
Yes, every day I forgot about it.
So 3 bolts need to loose.
Yes.
Loosen.
And I have no idea where this bolt is, I'm just feeling it.
Oh, nice.
But everything is 12 millimeter because of course it is.
Is good.
Okay. And now you can see that.
Now the whole thing is moving.
Yes. And now if you need to change it, you push it up and you can take it off and fish it around
this thing.
Yeah, you can take it off the pulleys and fish it around the fan. And then when you fish the new belt in, which we are not going to do because this one is just fine, you need to push this really hard and tighten this bolt.
Cool. Which bolt?
The top one.
Top bolt.
The belt tightening bolt.
Oh, so this one is the most important one.
This one holds the tension, yes. And I'm just leaning with my whole body weight on the alternator.
Okay.
Make it snug.
How much do you need to wait for this?
What? For what?
How heavy you need to be for this?
Oh, I have no idea. I can do better than this.
How could I do it?
I mean, you can do it with a pry bar. You can put a pry bar somewhere here and then help yourself a bit. But I think if you push it with your hand, it will be good enough.
Okay. So this is how you fix the squeaking belt.
Yes.
It squeaks because it slips?
Yes. And when it squeaks, it starts to slip. And then it starts to rub. I mean, it wears.
Yeah.
So this is a bit tighter.
Yeah.
And I cannot say how tight it needs to be because even in the service manual they just say push it with your finger. So on this short part,
is it better?
I cannot really turn it 90 degrees. On this longer part here, it is more tight, and that is enough. You don't need to over tighten it, and then you just snug up all the bolts. And that's it. We didn't even have to stop for the socket set.
Okay. Will we try to start the car?
I don't have the keys, of course.
Okay, later.
Yes, but it will not squeak anymore.
We'll see. We'll let you know.
How tight do you need it to make the snug? Because everything here is aluminium. And don't forget the lower bolt.
Yeah.
Because if you lose that somewhere, you're gonna have a bad time.
You can forget about it most of the days, but not the day you're changing your belt.
Yes.
You're tightening the belt.
Yes, of course. Okay. I'm just feeling where it is. And I'm using a short wrench so I do not over tighten things. Come on. I think that's it. That is good enough.
Okay.
There you go. You don't even need a socket set, just a 12mm wrench.
Nice.
Yeah, and that is how you tighten the belt and or change it. If you don't know how old it is or it's old and starts squeaking, the new belt is like a couple of euros. Just throw a new belt on and then get another one and throw it in your car.
What is this, the sticker for this belt? Or yeah.
No, this is for the timing belt, and we are a couple years overdue.
Ooh, okay.
That will be the next project probably.
Okay.
Thank you for watching this short one. Tighten your belts. It turns out we actually need to go somewhere, so let's just check if it still squeals. That's a success.
Nice.
Oh, it's really cool here. Oh, that's really nice.